Okay, I figured I'd do a quick little update. Basically what I've been doing is I've been turning an old BBK Callus X pipe for shorty headers into a long tube header Callus X pipe, and then adding exhaust cutouts. I've just been doing this in my spare time in case this doesn't turn out very good. Since it's turning out okay, not the best welds, but honestly, it could be a lot worse. This $200 Chinese Mastercraft welder is actually pretty decent. Not the best welds, but decent penetration at least. But yeah, it looks like crap right now still. I'm only half done. Ignore this. I was hugging the driver's side, I think, by 2 inches. And I had to put a relief in it to try and bend it over so it'd come closer to the passenger side, because it was pushing the exhaust into the torque boxes. I had to bend it, and I didn't have a tubing bender, so I cut reliefs thinking it would need more, and I went a little bit overzealous on how wide they were. Probably moved less than a 1/4 inch, and I cut quite a bit more. Ignore that, that's all getting fixed. But this will be going, I gotta still test fit and mark where it's gonna go, but it's gonna sit somewhere. I'll probably cut something like that out somewhere around here. I'll have it all marked out, of course, and then I'll tack it and then weld it in. Project for myself more so, just to push my fabrication skills a little bit more. Just because I don't have the best fabrication skills, so I figured I'd do this for me versus anyone else. Yeah, but it's turned out okay right now. Also ignore the socks with sandals. It's like 1 o'clock at night. Okay, just finished getting the exhaust installed. May have a little bit more work to do on it, but yeah, it's all in there right now. Yeah, you see how it sounds. You got the cutouts currently bolted closed. Still kind of skeptical if it's gonna leak right here just with the clamp holding it. I don't know. This might get welded. Currently there's about to there worth of pipe in there on both sides, so. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing going and see if there's any leaks. I still can't run it one. Okay, so I wasn't sure what you guys heard. It doesn't sound like there's many exhaust leaks. I didn't have the gaskets in on either side, so I can see a little bit of moisture right here. Everything else looks pretty good. So I think I won. I just gotta watch right here to see if right around here is gonna leak on either side. It may, but we'll find that out. Beyond that, it sounds really good. Sounds healthy. Nice and quiet. Well, not quiet, but good enough.